Hello friends, today I am going to discuss content writing. So, what is content writing? Content is whatever we read in written format in newspapers, websites, blogs, description of products in e-commerce sites is called content and is written by a content writer. So we can learn this skill by reading articles, blogs, newspapers, magazines, and then try to rewrite it in our own words. This will improve our writing skills. We can learn this skill at home also and can work from home also. So we can write blogs, articles for someone and charge for that either per blog or on salary basis. For content writing, we can charge 500 to 1000 rupees for per article, that means 1000 words. So after gaining experience in this skill, you can work for big brands like Forbes and also can charge nearly 1 to 5 lakh per month. So it depends on the experience, as you will gain experience, so you can also work for the big brands also. So you can also write content for websites like magazines, trending news articles, description for YouTubers, e-learning courses also. So because the YouTubers mainly need the content writers, so you can contact the YouTubers also. You can contact them. You can contact on the Facebook group also. So I want to mention here that your reading and writing skills should be good. There are many tools like grammarly.com, copyscale.com and extra, where you can check grammar of your article. You can publish the same sample of your articles on 3 online platforms, that is Fiverr, Upwork and iWriter. There is one more platform, online platform, that is called the YouTube of the content writers, and that is known as medium.com. You can make here free account and publish your articles that you will publish. Choose at least 5 topics that you are going to publish. Choose the topics like that are trending nowadays, that is travel, health, lifestyle, habits, fashion are the topics as per your choice. You can also choose those topics. You have to write at least 5 articles on each topic and you will get the work related to these topics. Now you can sell your services here and people will contact you, and your journey of earning starts from here. Now you have to be very careful. If somebody asks you to make contact for him, you have to take advance. You should take advance from him first, and then you can give him the this content. So you can also use social media platforms just like Facebook, Instagram to promote your work. So you have to practice, and practice, as you know, makes a man perfect. So you have to read the newspapers, you have to read the articles, try to read the articles, try to read 2-3 times one article, try to read magazines, try to read novels, and then again and again try to rewrite those articles in your own format. This will improve your skills, and this is very good for you, because as you will practice you will gain the experience. So hope you like this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So you, thank you very much.